Hey everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing the worn Axon 55S winch. I had ordered the worn semi-hidden winch bumper and bull bar for my 2019 Crosstrek, and I look forward to seeing that install video soon. Today my winch came in and I'm super excited, so I thought I'd do a little bit of a little unboxing for you. I ordered it through Amazon, and it came, I forgot the name of the seller that sent it, but I ordered this Wednesday, and today's Saturday, and it came in. So pretty fast shipping. I believe it came from somewhere in Colorado. So let's have a look at this bad boy. There we go, the worn Axon 55S. So it's got 5,500 pounds of pulling capacity, comes with 50 feet of 1/4 inch Spidura synthetic rope. I thought this would be good. I mean, it's a Crosstrek after all, right? So I don't need one, a huge winch, and two, a whole bunch of steel cable is just weight that little dude cannot handle for too long. Comes with the fair lead, a hook, allegedly, and it's supposed to include a dash-mounted control switch as well as a corded remote. So I'm hoping that it has everything I need, because tomorrow I would love to go ahead, pull my bumper, and get that whole assembly installed. But if I'm missing any electronics, then it's time to go shopping again. So let's see what this comes with. All right, looks like 3 separate boxes. I'm assuming the center one is a winch. So let's go ahead and get these out. Save this. That's a great looking box. I've never had a winch, by the way. I used to own a Jeep. I used to take that thing off-roading all the time. And if I got stuck, I got stuck. Someone had to pull me out, or yeah, it was just a bad day. So I've always wanted one of these things. I just want to see the winch first, so I'm guessing it's this middle box. Oh yeah. Oh, look at you, you sexy animal. Okay. Hopefully you can see this. The finish on this thing is phenomenal. This rope, very interesting rope. I'll be very curious to see how this goes in. Looks like they tucked the wiring up in the rope. Okay, good. That's not really stuck. That comes off easily. Got the terminals for the power and ground for the main supply. You've got your clutch. So I'm assuming if I turn that, oh boy, that's tight. Maybe I'll just have to read the instructions on that one, huh? Ugh. Yeah, we'll read the instructions. So anyway, that's the winch. Let's set that up here for now. What do we got here? Second box. Aha, cables, good. So here's the remote lead. Very nice. And then the main power and ground cables. So power obviously goes direct to the battery. Looks like they give us enough cable to run from the front bumper to the battery. We'll see when I go to install how I want to route that. And the ground, I wonder if they recommend just doing a chassis ground or also to the battery. We'll see. So, okay, awesome. And fair lead, tuck back in there. And what is in you? Ooh. Pardon me, by the way, it is hot in here. It's probably about 95 degrees out today, even in the evening. I had a fan on me, but obviously the wind blowing in my face wasn't going to be conducive to good audio. So, all right, we have the hook that goes at the end of the synthetic rope. We have a cord. Let's see. Okay. So this must be, I'm not exactly sure what this is. Like I said, never owned a winch. I'm guessing this is where you mount the lead, not the interior switch. And this must plug into the winch somewhere. We have nuts and bolts, as well as a couple of boots for the power and ground leads, it looks like, going to the winch. And finally, a rubber cover, a rubber cap for this guy. And this must be the switch that they give you that can go inside the vehicle. I believe it's just a rocker switch, simple rocker. Oh no, not even. Well, that's nice. So to give you this switch that you can mount inside the vehicle. Sorry for the lighting. There you go. So that ought to be interesting. I'm going to have to find a nice place to cut out and put this. Nothing like cutting apart the interior of your Crosstrek. Cool. All right, so that's the unboxing. Shipped fast, got here, looks great. Can't wait to get it installed. Hopefully tomorrow. Oh, one more thing. Sorry, looks like you've got the lead for the synthetic rope. And I believe this will bolt onto the bumper. So, excellent. Instructions. That is a lot of instructions for a winch. Okay, never mind. It's because it's in 40,000 languages. English instructions begin and end. Oh my. There. That is the English instructions. The rest appear to be a variety of other languages. Where's the stickers? One doesn't have stickers? I mean, let's face it, if you don't give me stickers, then you just don't stand by your product. Well, that's a little disappointing. Oh well. We'll see. I guess having this bad boy right in the front of the bumper is going to speak for itself. Hard to miss. Super exciting. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, this is my first unboxing, so if you like it, great. If not, well, I'll try to get better. Subscribe to the video, like the video, let me know in the comments, and I hope to post another video of this thing's install soon, and then I'm sure it's only a matter of time before I have to use it to get out of a pinch. So, take care, everybody. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.